We've transitioned from owning one part of the supply chain to actually commanding the full supply chain across our 10 sites. And that's the leap that we've made through the Genesis inventory management system. I'm Simon Walsh, I'm the Procurement Director for Manchester University NHS Foundation Trust. We had materials management across our sites for many years, but that was materials management primarily of items supplied via NHS supply chain. There's a whole host of items of significant value outside of NHS supply chain.
When we first went live with Genesis, we had 27 different sorts of barcodes within our children's theatres. We've now reduced that down to one barcode. Genesis is a GS1 compliance system. We work very hard with GS1 to train our suppliers and to encourage them to move over to GS1 barcoding, which helps from a safety aspect and from a recording aspect.
It means that we're able to spend more time with our patients and less time inputting information into the computer, as Genesis does this all for us.
Scan for Safety is a government initiative that came in 2016. Ultimately, it's keeping the patient's data up to date. From time to time, we do get item issues come through into the trust. This could be a recall. It could be a notice about an item that's got an issue with it. We can go into Genesis and immediately see, using lot numbers, serial numbers, item codes, exactly where that item has been, and if needed, we can trace it to a patient as well.
Our partnership with Genesis not only gives us all the benefits in terms of product tracking and traceability, but it's also enabled us to generate £1.9 million of savings and added value. Savings that can be redirected towards the services we provide.
The expired lines for MFT is a massive tool. Basically anything that is due to expire within 6 months, we have the ability to send that to each clinical department. If we know there is an item that isn't going to be used, then it gives them the option to transfer that to another internal area or even outside of the trust if possible.
From 2022, we rolled out our integration between Genesis and Epic, which allows the patient record to be updated with any items, supplies, consumables and implants, medical items that have been used on that patient.
Since linking Genesis to our EPR system, we've scanned 3 million items, 240,000 clinical procedures, 177,000 unique patients, over 175 theatres.
In the end, it's all about patients and it's all about patient care, and our partnership with Genesis has supported that.